Jimmie Rodgers used to ride them rolling boxcars in the summertime. And Jimmie, he'd play his guitar, and I'd lay back and watch the stars and sip my wine. Me and Audie Murphy used to crawl out on our bellies through the German lines. No, Audie, I won't leave you here. I'll pull you through, 'cause buddy, you're a pal of mine.
Me and Phil Rizzuto, didn't we move around like lightning on the double play? And I'd look over in the stands and Marilyn would see me and she'd smile and wave. Hell, no coach Lombardi, this broken back ain't nothing if the game was saved. And fellas, if I don't pull through, just put a little golden football on my grave.
John Wayne, he once said to me, them Japs will take the island, and we've got to save the old red, white, and blue. And someone's got to swim out to the submarine and warn them. And Bear, you know, I hate like hell to ask you to.
Me, Rocky Marciano, we used to spar together up in Stillman's gym, knowing someday it would be the Garden and a championship for me or him. And Coop, if no one in this town is man enough to back you when Frank Miller comes, well, come high noon, I'll walk with you. I may be young, but I know how to use a gun.
Betty Grable, don't you cry. You know you can be a star. And with my drinking, I just hold you back. So go on and sign the contracts, hon, and I'll read about you in some old newspaper, blowed and crossed some lonesome hobo camp.
'Cause me and Jimmie Rodgers, we still ride them rolling boxcars in the summertime. And Jimmie, he plays his guitar while I lay back and watch the stars and sip my wine. Me and Audie Murphy, we still crawl out on our bellies through the German lines. No, Audie, I won't leave you here. I'll pull you through, 'cause buddy, you're a pal of mine. Hey, Mel, come on over here. Hold me close to you and kiss me one last time.